In this video, I'll show you how to set up Google Authenticator on Binance. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video. First thing you're going to do is open up and log into your Binance account. If you don't already have a Binance account, I'll leave you a link down below in the description that will get you $100 in free trading rebates. After you've logged into your account, we're going to go right up here to the top left-hand corner and tap on the Binance icon. After you're on this page, we're going to tap on this arrow next to your profile, and that'll bring you to your account center. We're going to tap on security. And when you're in security or two-factor authentication, we're going to go down and look for Authenticator app and tap on it. Go down to the bottom and tap on enable. Now we're going to do the security verification requirements. We're going to tap on email, and we're going to enter the code that we get sent to our email and paste it in here. And we're going to do the same thing with our phone. Tap on get code to get the code sent to your phone and put in the code. Next, we're going to copy this 16-digit key. Open up your Google Authenticator app and tap on this plus icon at the bottom of your screen. Enter a setup key. We can name it whatever we want. I'm going to go with Binance. Paste in your code from Binance. Leave it at time-based. Tap on add. Copy the code you got for Binance on Google Authenticator. Go back to the Binance app and tap on next. Paste in the Google Authenticator app code. Tap submit. And if you go back to the security page, you'll see right here under Authenticator app that it's enabled. And that's how to enable Google Authenticator on Binance. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.